Alright guys, I got a 2002 Honda Accord and I'm doing a lock switch. It's definitely in bad shape. So mine ended up breaking and I basically just push it to lock and unlock. So I got a new one from local pick and pull and I'm going to take this handle off. So I'm going to show you how. So first you just take a little pocket screwdriver and you go, well, okay. Well, it looks like someone else has been here. So that's the sticky stuff that holds the door panel on from the inside. So, yep. Let's see here. Alright. Little Phillips head. That's all it is. Okay, and this should just slide and pull. So you look, you got tabs here and there, and in order to get to it a little easier, if you pop this right here, because you don't really have much room, that pin just pops off like that, and this will come out, and just kind of let it hang there. And then push down and unplug. Take these out. Okay, and we're gonna find the new switch. Where did I put it? I know I got it around here somewhere. Alright, let me go find the switch. I'll be right back. Alright, found the switch. So, should line right up. Plug in. Works fine. So, see, mine missing a few things, but all right, let's see. Oh man. Okay. Get these guys started. Is that right? Yep. Like I said, I just went down to LKQ in my local area and pulled it for a few bucks. Went in there, found one the same make and model. Close. You know, whatever works. Car's got a lot of miles on it anyway. I'm just keeping it running. Alright. Then we're going to plug this guy back in. Hook this guy back on. You just put it down in the hole, and you flip the clip around, and it clicks right in. Put it in, slide it over, and put your screw in. It's easy as that. Anybody can do it. Thanks for watching. If it helped, please leave a like. And I'm definitely going to have more of these type of videos. Little simple tricks, little things, you know, as I work on other cars. Just like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.